Alright, and I am live. Or at least I should be. And I am. Okay, good. Video URL, does that work? Aha, it does, I think. And then if I just there's the thingy. Yep, does show my live stream. Okay, good. And then if I just why is it 720p though? By default. Oh no, because I'm in the private window, I think. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, yep, does show my live stream. One second. I'm just gonna let people know that I'm live. Okay, okay, so, let me just open up my chat on my phone. There we go. Ready on challenge? Oh, that's tech lens. Guilty as sock. I don't know why I'm getting distracted by this, but that's interesting. I'm gonna watch later. How the hell not, you know? The Hajax, your channel, go to live, and then pause. There we go. Okay, good. Firefox, just go to. Oh, okay. We want to do the desktop side. I am logged in, I think. Yep, I am. Okay, good. Create a dashboard, I believe. And streaming. Chat. There we go. Failed to load module. Why? What? Why can I not load chat in a pop-out window? What? One second. Let me see if I can do it on desktop and not mobile desktop mode. Okay, good. Can't see my stream manager. How do I have 26 followers on Twitch already? It's insane. Anywho, about chat. Oh, I can. Oh, wait. Do I have to pop out chat before I do the split screen thingy? I'm using the split screen functionality on my phone to nope. Just straight up not working. No, don't. Oh, my goodness. I'm curious as to what it does. And Twitch does not load anything if I go back to whatever. Hi. Why is it doing this? Edit layout? Oh. How do I exit edit layout? Oh, there we go. Chat. Okay, then Twitch chat is not really working then, for some reason. Wait. Maybe it could. Maybe. 1 second. Screen with Firefox. There we go. And then in Firefox, I really just zoom into the chat, right? Yeah. Hang on. What if I also edit layout? It's literally just chat then. Save. Edit layout, why not? Oh no! Oh man, did not mean to do that. But chat is still not working, so I'm just gonna edit layout, move everything again. Save. There we go. Okay, cool. Actually, maybe the layout. Mod actions. Why not? Oh no, that's okay. Press the plus to add it. There we go. Okay, cool. Save. There we go. Nice. Oh, I got a 1 concurrent viewer. Heck yeah. Welcome. At least on YouTube. I apologize for not really doing anything right at the moment, but I'm currently oops. Did not mean to. My goodness. Whatever. Edit layout. I don't think I can. Okay. Whatever. Oh. I just now saw your messages. Hello. It's okay. Welcome. Oh, now I just now saw your message in Discord as well. That's nice that this is finally working. Yeah, welcome. Yes, hello. I'm not good at talking with people, especially on stream, so I apologize if the commentary is like nothing or not good or whatever. I'm much better talking on like a voice chat and whatnot, you know? But yeah. Anywho. I have my chat open on for both Twitch and YouTube on my phone. And yeah, that's that. Then I'm just streaming the 3 main windows. Visual Studio VS Code is one of them. Because I use that as like an external editor for Godot. It's fine, even worse at talking in person. Fair enough, yeah. Big mood. But yeah, this is just like the 1 second. I literally just tried to mute in Discord. I did my Discord mute, what's it called? Keyboard shortcut, man. I am liking a lot today. Okay. Yeah, Godot is just right here. It's pretty much just an empty project. Right, you can't see, what's it called? GitHub Desktop. I like GitHub Desktop. I don't... Yeah, it is like a dependency, but like I can use the, what's it called? Use, GitHub and Git in like the terminal. Like even just using Git Bash or Git GUI, that comes with Git. I've apparently like using GitHub Desktop is like a dependency and, or like only knowing how to use that as a dependency, and it's not the best for like getting jobs or whatever, or like and whatnot. But I just prefer it because it's easier to use. That's all, you know. Anywho, plus like if I need to use the terminal for GitHub, then or any Git thing, then I can just look up commands. That's also a possibility. 1 minute until 6 days and 10 hours remaining. Okay. Lambda functions, Aw. Why do you think your chat is breaking? Yes, lambda functions are very useful. I personally do not know how to use them like efficiently, because I just do because like what I use is I just have it like return like multiple say for example I'm making a state machine and I want to use and I want to have like a variable to see like if the player as like a guard, like if the player is inputting a move direction, but like say for example they are like, I don't know, running against a wall or something. I thought the chat didn't close that. I didn't return to the browser. Yeah, YouTube chat is so weird with that. I really don't understand why, but it is what it is. But yeah. Anywho, yeah, so like I used to use lambda functions as like a thing just for I'm going to open up Godot or another project, the oh, what's tank game? The Wii Tanks one that I've been developing past like 3-ish days. Oh, it's not detecting the Godot. Hang on. Tank game or there's 2 Godots. Is there? Yeah, there is. Oh, no? What? There's not 2 Godots that I can click on. Oh, that's same executable, same type. Is what I'm thinking. Okay, that's still not. No, not filters. Same executable. Why not? But yeah. 1 second. Let's just debug draw. Player.gd. There we go. Can you see? Okay, good. You can see Visual Studio. Or VS Code, I mean. What? Oh, I see. If I save, what then, huh? These errors were not in here last time I did stuff. Project settings, global. Yeah, input manager is one of them. Okay, you know what? Oh, okay, I think it's because I have 2 Godot engines and VS Code is just freaking out. That might be why, actually. Let me reopen it and yep, that was it. Okay, good. That's fun. Hang on. There. Oh, I see. Okay, um, so like, say for example, the input manager, right? Say like I want to determine like, is firing is like a state essentially. This is what triggers a state, and it needs some conditions to be met before like because update states I literally just oh whatever GScript it's not loading because I think I had the anywho but yeah is firing, is aiming, and then otherwise just do idle. And then is firing, right? It's I like the getters because like you can like if you use like a getter, it will automatically update. I don't know when. I don't know if it updates like every physics update or every frame or whatever. And I also don't know if it updates like when you call it. I probably I would think that it calls every time it updates every time you call it, but I don't know for sure. Anywho, but yeah, I'm just literally just using getters to return like if the player is trying to fire or inputting fire, and the cooldown is done, and they can do like an upper action because this is just like a tank, you know. Every time you call it, get the variable. Okay. Okay, yeah, so that's even more performant, efficient, rather than, like, setting the... Okay, yeah. So, like, the variable... Oh, so like, the getter is essentially just, like, a lambda function. Pretty much, because or it's a function in that, like, it... From my understanding, from what I'm getting, the getter is a function that you can apply to a variable that literally just evaluates or does whatever you have in, after return, and then yeah, it doesn't update, but it updates automatically whenever you call it, which is really neat. I do like that. Like you don't have to have like a function that updates all of these things. Every single physics tick or every single frame constantly. That would be not very efficient. Anywho, I am going to open up the Game Jam game project now. Because I just wanted to open that up as like an example, that's all. Alright. Now, I don't think I have any scripts, and I think that's why Godot is just not opening Visual Studio, so there's gonna be like a black... just the void at the top right. But the two GIFs that I have, I literally just got off of like Discord, because I wanted to fill the gap, the space like in... I just wanted to fill the space. But yeah. Anywho. GPU 1 is using like around 70-ish% of video encoding, because I'm doing this to both YouTube and Twitch. I tried to do it at 1440p like a couple days ago or something on both YouTube and Twitch, but it was not running that good at all, because the video encoding, my laptop GPU just could not handle it at all, because that's a lot of data to encode and then send to not only to two platforms. So yeah, not mean to hit my mic there. My mic is on my headset, so whenever I'm like thinking with like my hand on my chin or whatever, I sometimes like hit my mic accidentally, so yeah. So what we came up with is for the Game Jam idea and I don't want anyone to steal this, but what we came up with is, like an arcade... Oh wait, hang on. Yeah, I haven't seen anyone use it for input, mostly for like health and currency, because you don't want BS values for pawns, you can just store the values you got from the input lookup. Yeah, I guess. Well, no, because in Input Manager, I guess it's doing more than just managing the inputs, because, like, I am setting the input, like, every frame, in process, but, like, I'm saying like a lot, aren't I? But yeah, I'm just, in Player, I'm using it more so in the Input Manager for, like... I don't know, actually, I forget. I need to reopen that project, and I don't want to. But yeah, Sorry, I was looking at Discord. Bitlytic server. I won't steal. Mine is about a frog who eats fireflies to bait foxes into water. Don't worry about the get side of things, just develop. So true. So real. Hell yeah. To bait foxes into water. Oh. Ours is kind of similar to that, actually. I won't lie. Because, like, so, last night, when the theme was revealed, 14 hours ago, actually, we were struggling to come up with an idea, right? And, me and my teammate. And so, what we eventually did come up with, where he just had, like, an idea pop into his head, and we refined it a little bit before heading to bed. And we were super satisfied with the idea, because we were really struggling to come up with something. That was a lucky, random, thought. Anywho, but, like, it's like a puzzle arcade sort of game. We don't have, like, the concrete, ideas yet for, like, what the core gameplay loop should be like. But we're thinking something along the lines of, like, the player cannot progress through the level unless, because, like, the level, think of, like, Portal, right? If you just try to move through the level normally without using the portal gun, and without glitches, because I know glitches make a lot of things possible, you won't be able to complete any of the puzzles, or, like, move on to the next, or, like, just get from point A to point B, unless you use the portals. So we want to have something similar to... I just came up with that analogy. So, like, the player can, like, kill or absorb an enemy. Once the player, like, kills an enemy, they can then, like, teleport to the enemy's position, or maybe even, like, just absorb the enemy and gain, like, kind of like how in, like, Fireboy and Water Girl, where, like, Fireboy cannot, you know, like the Flash game? Kind of like how, Fireboy cannot go over water, and Water Girl cannot go over, lava, because, you know, they will die. And so, like, you have to, like, do some, like, teamwork shenanigans. It's kind of similar with, like, enemy, placement and whatnot. But also, I had the thought that, like, it would feel kind of a bit like the player would need to do exactly the right thing, and I don't really like that, because, like, it doesn't feel very good. So we're thinking that, like, the player, doesn't, like, not only do they have to kill and absorb an enemy, like, they have to maneuver the enemy, position the enemies to, into the right spot, into about the right spots before, like, they can kill the enemy or absorb the enemy, and, at which point they can the player is now the enemy that they killed, and or is at their spot or whatever, and after that, like, the player can then like go on to the next thing. But yeah, one of our ideas when we were struggling to come up with something was multiversal Flappy Bird with time travel. Because like Flappy Bird was one of the examples my teammate came up with, and or like as in like arcade-like games that require positioning. Galactica was another one, but I was thinking like maybe we could do like something like with time travel, in that like you have to position something in like the past in order to position something in the multiversal time travel. Yes, that was one of the because like 5D chess with multiversal time travel or whatever that's on Steam. I don't have it, but I've seen some people play it, and it is 5D chess with multiverse time travel. It is insanely complex. But like nothing like as strategic or complex as chess, just something like simple. And so like we can have like the multiversal time travel and whatnot as in like as like a puzzle element. Another game that's similar that I thought of was like Portal Reloaded. It's a mod of Portal 2. And it literally is just it gives you like a third portal that is literally just a time travel portal. Like at the very beginning, you have to either wait like 20 years or something in canon. I think it's like nowhere near as that long to get an achievement. I don't know, but or you can just go to a portal that goes to the future with like the future, or no, the present is like all worn down and whatnot, and things are like glass is shattered, and there's like plants and moss everywhere, but like the past is like really clean and pristine and whatnot. That's the sort of like how Portal Reloaded does its stuff. I have not beat the Portal Reloaded's like full single player campaign because it is a lot to think about. But yeah, we're definitely gonna do something in 2D. Knew that from like the start, or sorry, clarified that from the start, and with each other. But yeah, anywho, yeah, we're just instead of doing like multiversal time travel and whatnot, we're gonna be just it's gonna revolve more around positioning rather than like multiverse or time travel or whatever, you know? So like you have to position the enemies, and then you have to like position yourself and then kill or absorb the enemy, and then you can progress to the next part of the level or puzzle or whatever. And yeah, so I'm not good at designing puzzles, but my teammate really likes designing and doing puzzles and whatnot, and I want to help that. I want to like feed that. I want to like, because he wants to do something, and this is just something that we both want to do, and if we're both doing, and I want us both to enjoy it, so why not let him design the puzzles, but yeah. Anywho. But so to get the foundation of the game going. Okay. First of all, so we did decide that we want like 2D platformer style movement, similar to like Celeste or Mario or whatever. Like those platformers, but not a platformer. It's definitely going to be much more of like a puzzle game than a platformer. But yeah. So it's a good jumping off point. Folder. Scenes. Scene. And then we'll make a new folder just for player. Testing, right? What are we gonna? I think I'll just put like a testing thing in here. Movement. Hang on. Player move test. Player move. Test is gonna be like a prefix or whatever. So probably want to have like, oh, what's it called? Why am I blanking on static body? Man, okay. I don't like how like it by default this is like really thin. I don't like that for some reason. Anyway, hang on. What is it? Status indicator. What? Oh, okay. Oh, so that's just like a notifier or whatever. Okay, I see. Collision shape 2D. Definitely want a collision shape and not a okay, so alright, yep, this is like the positioning of it, I assume. And then like this is, yeah, okay, cool. Alright, sick. W and Q, I see. Control, rotate around pivot. Oh. Alt dragons move. Oh, so it's like, that's just like G to move and whatnot. That's cool, okay. Control alt drag. Oh. Oh yeah. I'm learning like the select mode, like everything for the first time somehow. Set the. Hang on. Is this just V? Okay. And then full drag. That doesn't really do anything. V does not do anything. Okay, cool. Alt right. Aha. Okay. Okay. Alright, cool. Actually, wait, I think I have a tile set, maybe. 1 second. Where was it? I think it was this one, actually, yeah. Okay. I think I can just straight up copy the copy and paste the T-res for the, yeah, for the, what's it called? Thingy. The files. Temp tile set, really? Huh. File map layer. Save as. Tile set. Alright, and I can just copy, I think. I know, don't save. And then paste, right? Aww. Wait. Maybe I could just paste it in the file manager. Hang on. Paste. Nope, that didn't. Okay. Not actually copy it then, I guess. Or I didn't. Whatever. I've been streaming for 35 minutes already. I have not lost, like, I've lost barely any motivation to do this. Hell yeah. That's actually sick. Okay. I might, take a food break soon, though, so, yeah. Showing file manager. I did not mean, okay, whatever. Showing file manager. Going to copy. And then file manager. Paste. There we go. Now, unrecognized UID. Is there any way I can like re-import it? Oh, fixed dependencies. I see. Okay. Okay. Let me real quick. Open in File Manager. .png.import. I'm just gonna copy this. File Manager and paste. There we go. Okay. Dependencies. Okay. Close. Alright. Now, should work, maybe, hopefully. Hang on. Wait, no. Tile map layer. Oopsie. Nope. Okay. Whatever. I'll set this. There we go. Now, terrain. All good. Hell yeah. Okay, cool. Heck yeah. Tile set, right? Resource. Okay. Tiles. Tile set. Oh yeah, tile set. There we go. Okay. One second. Let me real quick, because we wanted this to be. No, we're gonna have it be like Flash, like I think. Yeah, Flash. Like Newgrounds or Flash player. You know, like from that era type. That type of style, because it definitely did have like a noticeable style. So. Yeah. Hang on. Is there any way I can like that. Texture padding. What does this do? Oh. Fair enough. Select. No. Okay. Patterns. Is this really like all? Really? How did? Hang on. Brain sets. Huh. Rendering. Oh. No. Okay. Rendering. Occlusion layers. Nope. UV clipping. No. Man. How did I, property editor. Modulate? Yeah, so like in tile set, right? map layer. Also this tile set, transforms, etc. Transform. Tile map layer is good. So then, what the heck? Why is this, you know what? I bet it's in the project settings. Hang on. Physics, debug, rendering, textures. Oh, yeah. Okay. Don't save. Okay. Whatever. Nearest. Why not, you know? File map. I'm gonna do terrain. There we go. Nice. Okay, cool. Alright, I think we can safely do that. And then debug, little collision shapes, and then should have collision, I think, right? Yep, it was there. Okay, good. Alright, cool. Folder, assets, and new folder, resources. Tile set. I'm just gonna put them like in there raw. Character body, collision shape. No chatters recently. Okay. Wondering if my thing was bugged out or not. Apparently it's not. So right. Okay, so this is like arcade style. So it is like side view. I'm wondering if I should do like a capsule, a box, or like a sphere. Or, no, not a sphere, it's circle. I'm not sure which one I should do. I guess we can easily like change it later. Or not, you know? Circle. Player is going to just be in scenes. There we go, and then player. There we go. Alright, cool. Okay, so camera 2D. Oh yeah. Alright, no 2D. Right, I need like a sprite that's... Aww. Or just like a, color, Oops. Color rect. Yeah, but it's not... Aw, man. Whatever, color rect it is. Oh, okay. Material, texture, ordering, ability, top level? Okay, yeah, sure. Top level, why not? Okay, I think that should be good, but like, wait, grow direction, right and bottom. Oh, oh, I see, okay. Oh, those are anchors, oh, I see. What? Oh, I see. Okay. Alright. Hey, Murphy is live. Alright, yeah, he's doing a charity thing. Hell yeah. Probably shout someone out. Hang on. Shout out. Murphy up. Oh yeah. That dude's a great dude, as far as I can tell. But yeah. Definitely do go follow him. Oh, no, that's Twitch. YouTube, I think he might be out live on YouTube. I'm not entirely sure, but Murphy, obviously. Murphy Ob. But yeah. Anywho. I don't think anyone else is watching. Okay, I don't think I have any viewers, to be honest, on Twitch at least. Like on YouTube, it says there's one viewer, but like, pretty sure that's just me. 7 views though. Yeah, concurrent viewers is 0 right now. Okay. Alright, views. Alright. Okay, let's see how I'm doing on Twitch though. How many viewers other than me? None. Okay. Unless there's just one lurker. I don't know. Could be. How many viewers other than me? Oh. No. Oh, okay. Unless there's just one lurker. Wait, could you hear? Oh, so the fire. Okay, so the audio capture does like do every single thing. Oh yeah. Okay, going back to the game, Dev, wait, no, I don't need a color rectangle. Hang on. Right, 2D. Texture, quick load. And really just do the icon. I'm a dumbass. Gonna put this here. Here we go, okay, cool. Alright, so with that, I think I might just straight up, do a rectangle collision. So now, I think I might finally time to add a script. Folders, scripts, let me just add a folder. Well, should I? Okay, so what are we doing with player? We're not gonna add any, like, I don't know. I can definitely refactor later, though, so that's good. Scripts, player.vd, create, and there we go. Yes, code should be open, and you guys can see it now. Yippee. Let's change the project.godot. Oh yeah, that. Okay, fair enough. One second. Doing a big stretch and I apologize. But yeah, I think this is a good time to stop, actually. Whoever joined in, thank you for joining in. Sakei, thank you for chatting, if you're still here. If you're not still here, though, still thank you. And whoever's